Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. My name is Taneol, and I'm an anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry veterans to come together to share their knowledge, ideas, thoughts, and best practices with one another, as well as with upcoming industry leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings of all our industry stalwarts. We hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leader interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone, right? They help us to identify, nurture, and work on trade secrets that have already proven a success formula for so many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge sharing community. We have one such industry stalwart on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Murugesan. We welcome you on the show, sir.
Thank you.
As an NFPA-Certified fire protection specialist, he stands poised with his noteworthy experience. As a board director recently for Johnson Controls India Private Limited, he played a pivotal role at the firm along with driving sales and marketing efforts for various fire suppression, fire protection, and fire and gas detection systems, accumulating nearly 2 decades of indigenous and overseas experience. He last served as the Senior Director at the Global Center of Excellence, Johnson Controls India Private Limited, leading a substantial engineering center for application engineering of building products and solutions. Under his leadership, the center has thrived, providing enterprise value through innovative practices, resulting in numerous patents and enhanced productivity. So, sir, our viewers would like to know in brief about your career journey, covering important career achievements, decisive professional steps, etc.
Thank you. Thank you for that excellent introduction, Tanya. So I started my career as a trainee project engineer with Vijay for Protection Systems in 1994. Now it is part of United Technology Corporation. Then in 1998, I have joined as a senior project engineer with the Devidayal Industries, executing large fire alarm and fire protection project across various parts of the country, starting from Vadodara, Hyderabad, and most of the times I was working in Visakhapatnam, large project with the steel plant, HPCL, shipyard. I also worked as a proposal engineer with Larsen and Toubro, L&T, for a short stint before moving into Dubai, UAE, in the year of 2000. 4 years at Dubai, I have worked with Xeon Electronics as a senior application engineer. Now it is also a part of United Technology Corporation. That gave me plenty of opportunity to travel and work in foreign countries. I have executed large Siemens gas turbine power plant projects with the fire protection system, fire alarm system in Alexandria, Egypt for almost 1 year. At least half a dozen power plant projects in Iran, a large Marriott hotel project in Tunisia, an aircraft hangar project in Oman, and a power plant and desalination plant at Qatar. So I was overseeing this project with the fire and life safety system solution design, materials delivery, testing, commissioning of various fire alarm, gas detection, and fire protection system on this project. This 4 years journey when I worked in Dubai gave me great experience on many MENA regions. So then I moved to Bahrain as a technical sales manager. That was a small integrated company, fire alarm, fire protection, gas detection system, fire suppression system. So they were the system integrator for UTC, KIDI, and many other manufacturing organizations. So that I led this company with the P&L experience for almost 10 years. Then I moved to, in 2013, I moved to India. I joined Tyco, which is one of the largest fire and security organization in the world, as a national engineering manager. Parallelly, we started a small, what we currently called it Global Center of Excellence. We started in the name of India Design Center, adding 2 engineers. Today, that transformed as a 1,200 plus engineers Global Center of Excellence for Johnson Controls. So one point of time, I was leading 3 roles at Tyco. One is the National Engineering Manager for India business. The second one was the IDC leader for engineering service export for internal customer across the globe for 50 plus countries. Then I was handling the field operation, director of field operation role for a couple of years. In 2017, Jan, Tyco and Johnson Control merged together to become a complementing each other in the building solutions system. Johnson Control was very strong in air conditioning and building automation system. Tyco was front runner in the fire and security. These two companies merged together, complementing each other to create a solid building solution company. So after merger, I've been given a choice whether I want to lead a operation leadership role or I want to run the Global Center of Excellence. Then I took, because Global Center of Excellence, I started with 2 engineers in 2014. That is today 1,200 engineers. So I decided to opt for GCoE leadership role. That is what the journey so far with these great organizations.
So are there any common principles and values that you have lived by throughout your professional life?
Yeah, definitely. This is important. Very, very good question. So I had 4 values. One is customer focus. Think that every month your paychecks are from the company that earned from the business with our customers. That is very important. And most importantly, one of the good experience I want to share with you on how you want to customer. If you focus on customer, if you make customer satisfied, how you get customer loyalty and continuous business. So I said that I was technical sales manager when I was working in Bahrain, Manama. So we used to, as a salesperson, I used to, whenever we travel in the car, when we see a new project holdings, this is a project, this is the customer, this is a consultant. So when project holding is the nomenclature, there will be project holdings. So we go to that customer and we introduce with ourselves and give you a business card. And I will tell the customer, whenever you need anything related to fire security and life safety systems, please call me. So there was a Saudi company was setting up a huge sewage treatment plant. I think it's $100 million plus is the dollar project size. So I gave the card that he is a Pakistani project director. So I met him, gave my card and came. I forgot it. 3 minutes later, a call came. Hey, I'm calling from the STP plant. You gave me your card. I need little help. These civil guys are building a pump room, but they don't know what is that fire pump room dimension is required. Because that fire pump decision, fire tender proposals, everything will come at later stage of the project. So what I did, okay, I asked him, is there any tender specification? So he gave me some tender specification. Through using my CAD engineers, I built a small fire pump room layout design. How many pumps need to be there as per the codes and standards. We gave him the drawings. Little later, 3 months or 4 months later, he called me once again. There are road crossing. People are saying that a firefighting pipe line need to be crossed. Can you give me what is that cement pipe I need to put for safety of the fire protection pipes? So I gave him approximately calculating this could be the size of pipe. I gave him the pipe dimensions. So keep on asking little information, data, time and again. So 1 year down the line, when this project, fire reduction, fire protection projects are being finalized, the tender was out. There are 3 bidders, including myself or my organization. I was bidding. So all we went there. This gentleman, I still remember his name, Joy. He said, guys, thanks for coming. Muru is the guy going to execute my project. Thanks for coming here and providing your proposal. So I decided he is going to take the project. I did not. So though that project, I won at least 50 lakhs more than my competitors. So that is that customer focus, customer satisfaction gives you, right? So that is one value. The second is employee connects and employee engagement, rewarding and recognizing them timely. The third one is keeping performance transparency and supportive leadership helps you in the organization health index. So if you take my journey in the Johnson Control in 20 FI 18, we had 95 as OH, one of the highest OH score, organization health index scores. So we were worried about how to sustain this 95. So through this employee engagement program, performance transparency, supportive leadership, this score from 95 went to 97 next year and 99 the year after. So that is what the employee connects, employee engagement, rewarding them and recognizing them helps you. And the fourth important value what I create is role modeling, walk the talk. So you can say that 100 things we can talk in the meetings and the town halls, but unless you role model that, nobody is going to follow you. So these are some of the common principles and values I had.
Since you have been honored with several awards, which one of them would you say you cherish the most and why?
Yeah, thanks. So I had Director of the Year award, and 1 year this award is very unique for me because when you are committed, when you are passionate about what you're doing, this award in FI 17 I got Employee of the Year. That is the year the merger took place, the beginning of the year, or just beginning of the first quarter or second quarter, the merger took place. When the new leadership came on board for Johnson Control, so we started, as I said, IDC or GCoE, we started in 2014 with 2 engineers. That has grown around 250, 300 engineers in 2017 beginning. So I was having conversation with my supervisor, my boss. Hey boss, look, I'm getting some pushback from our internal customer from North America and the EMEALA regions. Our utilization is not sustaining. The utilization of the employees are not sustaining. I think we may need to restructure some of the employees to reduce cost burden. This was the conversation I was having in the beginning of the year. End of the year, we, with a lot of initiatives, lot of process improvement, quality improvement, timeliness improvement on our engineering deliverables to our internal customers. End of the year, we were forced to hire additional 75 engineers. Also, we created positive PNL. From reducing 100 people, we added 75 people and positive PNL. So that was the one award, unique award, which I can say is that is the reason my boss gave me. Though the senior leadership don't get the award, but he want to recognize. At beginning, you told you want to restructure 100 people. At the end, you grown the organization with a positive PNL impact. So that is unique award which I cherish the most.
So, as someone with prior boardroom experience, do you believe that the current corporate governance framework offered by the government of India is conducive to the nation's economic ambitions?
Definitely. I fully agree with that. Effective corporate governance is essential for growth and investor confidence. India's corporate governance framework today strives to balance investors, promotes transparency, and also boost economic prosperity. I fully agree with that. So if you see that, I think pandemic created caused the organization across every industry except the manufacturing where human presence is required, quickly shift into remote operations, including remote work and virtual board meeting. This forced many organizations to adopt new tools and technologies that continue to evolve today. So most importantly, what I'm seeing that since the board meetings could be conducted wherever the directors, whenever it is required, since it has become virtual, it become very easy to work on the board meetings. And some of the other opportunity the Industry 4.0 brings in for the board of the directors, it created a lot of opportunity, particularly with the digital transformation along with IT, big data, to serve our customers with more advanced integrated solutions. Particularly if I talk about where I do have experience on the building solutions, where you take fire detection system, security system, access controls, air conditioning system, building automation systems. So that scale of integration has been really vast compared to what we thought in the past. So the digital platforms helped us to improve that scale of integrating solutions and system for our customers. So this could be one of the value the business model could be business model and operation model could really improve organization performance. The second point on what value we can create is the knowledge and the proficiency in the environmental, social, and governance is very important at this point of time. As we enter into 2024, this become really mandate. ESG governance become mandate for every organization. So we need to create a ESG proficiency and challenge ESG well in advance. Or we should establish a designated ESG committee to look after what are the regulatory requirements, policies, what we created. Is it long time sustainable? There should be continuous focus on ESG governance. And since I was a decade, I was working for Johnson Controls. I worked for Johnson Controls. It is very important. This is the right movement. Every organization thriving on diversity, equity, and inclusions. So diversity demand in the last 4 or 5 years back was different. Today it is really different. Also, the equity and the inclusion need to be focused. And the fourth point, what I can bring value to that, and the competency management. It is not about hiring a right people. It is not it is starting from hiring right employee and nurturing them with right training, competency management, and most importantly, retaining them with the career road path. Also, employee connects, employee engagement, which I talked one of my principles, rewarding, recognize them rightly. These are the 4 values I can bring into the board.
So what are some of the most remarkable changes you have seen in your field with changes in technology, and what changes do you expect to see in the future with the advent of all these new technologies like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, big data, Web 3.0, etc.?
Good, very good question, and it is going to be future for all of us. IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, big data, digital twin. These are primary drivers of digital transformation and the Industry 4.0, in which industrial processes and systems are automated, monitored, and controlled with less effort and high efficiency. If I talk about my area, where I'm experienced building solutions, in the past, it was not that easy. For example, take building automation system. It was kind of discrete, one building controlled, one system for one building. Now everything, all the component level, including sensors, chiller controls, everything is, the data is available in the cloud. So the integrating data and creating a simple solution for customer with one single point for monitoring and control and making decision making, and even in the your sustainability initiatives, am I spending more electricity in this area, how to reduce. So decision making also become very easy with these technologies available today. So in addition to that, what I can add, when I started my career, if I talk one simple system, fire reduction system, it was a conventional based system where every zone you need to run the cable. Then it came addressable fire alarm systems. Every floor you can cover one single length of cable. Tomorrow, with this technology like IoT, AI, ML, and big data, this is going to be next level of system and solution. You will have IoT based smoke detection system, fire detection system, gas detection system. Everything will be IoT based. That already the journey started. Some of the research and labs proves very positive around the results. So it is going to be a matter of adoption and the next level. So it is going to be Wi-Fi, IoT enabled smoke detection system, gas detection system going to be featured.
So we're building a community here of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
Yeah. So because of this initiative, I'm sitting here today. That's very important, right? So when I heard this, I was thinking, is it possible? Then I went to a couple of webinars. Really, it's a very good initiative. One is bringing the industry stalwart to one place, and from cross industries, the knowledge sharing between the cross industry. For example, something may be happening in the artificial intelligence area. I'm building solution expert. So this helps me to learn each other and creating the fully qualified independent directorship for the organization, for the society is very important. So I really appreciate the World Fund Organization really doing great job, and the great journey started for the India particularly and the world as well, particularly in the industry areas and the leadership forums.
Great, sir. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will truly inspire future leaders. Thank you so much for joining us today, and wish you the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.